Hey guys, welcome back to the JMK Garage. So yesterday, Scott, founder of the Moto Meetup, the local motorcycle meetup group, announced that we're going to be doing a early preseason meetup at the Blackbridge Harley-Davidson dealership in Cambridge. And as part of that, we're going to do a pit bike race. So I reached out to him and he said, should be no issues here in entering my wife's 91 CR80 into the lineup. Personally, I think it's a bit of a cheat. You'll find out why, hopefully, during the race. It's got a lot more power than most pit bikes. At only 80cc two-stroke, it's about, I think about 20, maybe 30 horsepower compared to other pit bikes, which are probably less than 10. Anyways, that's been in the basement for the last few years since the wife tried riding it. It didn't work out so well for her, and she said, I'm never touching it again. So it's been sitting down there, so we're going to get some fresh gas in it, fire it up, make sure it still runs, and do some carb tuning, and hopefully get a little bit of practice on it just around the neighborhood here, so I can ride it without wiping out. In case the guys, the Moto Meetup, decide that that's not fair and don't let me ride it, I will either ride my son's Yamaha PW50 there. Runs, has a bit of an engine knock. So I need to get that new crank and crank bearings and seals in there. Otherwise, if that's not done in time, there's a Honda XR50 back there that I could use, or the other daughter's PW50. Otherwise, I have my 69 Honda 50 or the Kawasaki KV75 downstairs still. I'm sure we'll find something to bring along as a spare. I definitely cannot use that. Anyways, let's have some fun. Well, as you can see, the bike is riding fairly good. I would still like to take the jets out and size them up a little bit just to compensate for the colder weather. But as you can hear, the exhaust is horrendously loud. So I've beaten away on this. I've gotten the innards out, and as you can see, they're pretty destroyed. So we got some new F&F packing. We'll get that in. Hopefully it makes it a little quieter. Get that in, do some jetting, and be ready for the races. Well, we got that there all cleaned and sandblasted, which took considerably longer than expected because the perforated holes there, which you can see through now, were all clogged up, basically making that as a straight pipe, and wasn't making use of the packing at all. And the packing was just right soaked with oil. So took quite a bit of time to clean that out inside and out. Clean all the holes out and get it sandblasted. So I'll get that painted and then wrapped up and stuck back in the tailpipe. All right, it's pretty late at night right now. The exhaust packing is done. Don't really want to piss the neighbors off. I'm gonna do it anyways, just to hear how it sounds. Well, we got the carburetor back off there. It seems that the idle jet is just too small. It's the factory 52 and it's 125 main, both factory settings. However, the bike has a pipe on there, so obviously that suggests that I need some larger jets. And right now, to get it to idle, I have to have the idle screw there all the way in. So that's suggesting to me that the idle is too small. So we'll get the 55 in there. That's the largest I could find to up it from the 52. Hopefully that's big enough. If not, we'll have to bolt the drill bits and make that hole there a little bit larger. And I won't bother touching this one here until I know that the idle is set correctly. And then we'll adjust the needle from there and then go up to the main jet, which I have several of right there. All right, we got the carb back in. Let's see how it easily fires up and idles. Not sure how well the video shows there, but she definitely rips good. Much better than it was before. Mid-range is not quite there, but idle's great. Top end's mint. I think she's ready for the races. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned for part 2 to see the race. And if you're a local subscriber, hope to see you there.